This video is a review of the AULEEND shower head. I do like the looks of it. It's got a very modern look. I put it in my new shower that I just tiled. And it's got good stainless steel construction. The one problem I have with it is on the front of it, I do like the silicone nozzles, but they're very hard to clean between. Other than that, I think it's a very, very nice looking shower head and does a great job putting out a good heavy shower pattern. So I would say I recommend this, except for the fact that it's really hard to clean the front of it.
Thank you.